Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a flickering Galaxy smartphone. This is a Galaxy S20 Plus and it clearly needs a new display, so let's go fix it. So first thing we're gonna do is remove the back cover on this broken S20 Plus. I'm gonna pry it from the side here and slice through the adhesive. And I think this may be easier than the usual. So this can suggest that this may be the second or third time this smartphone has been opened, because when you have the stock adhesive on an S20 Plus or any other Samsung flagship smartphone, it can be very difficult. This one is relatively easy. But no problem with that. They're gonna remove the screws on the mainboard shroud and daughter boards at the bottom. There's a lot of them, so first thing that we are gonna remove is this NFC wireless charging module. We're gonna put that to the side and remove the battery connectors and the flat cables for the main board. Also for the main board shroud, the covers are gonna go out as well. So everything that you can see here is gonna be removed and transferred to the new replacement display. The main board, given its performance, very small, which is kind of amazing how Samsung can achieve that kind of design. We're gonna remove the battery by prying it from the side, of course, with a blunt tool. You can't really just puncture it. And this is the replacement display. So the replacement display is also acting like your main housing. So everything from the main board to the battery to the connectors will be transferred to this replacement unit. So from a repair standpoint, this is very repairable, but the replacement displays of Samsung Galaxy flagship smartphones are relatively more expensive because it includes the housing and everything in it. All you have to do is to transfer everything, but you can also find some refurbished displays. But if you don't want hassle, of course you can just go to your local repair service centers, or here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre, where David is fixing a lot of Galaxy smartphones. He's the Galaxy expert here in the shop. So if you don't want the hassle of finding the parts, doing the repair yourself, then let David do it. It's gonna be quicker, and of course the parts will be more compatible to your existing board. And of course you have a warranty if the parts fail. So right here we can see that it's working. Upon our initial testing, we can just put the screws back in and then continue with testing it. Needs the pin and it's still charging. So I think this is done now. I'm just gonna make sure that the cameras, the touchscreen buttons, the speakers and Wi-Fi, everything has to be checked. Front and back cameras. Power button is also working. So this is a success. I'm just gonna close it up by putting the old back cover, which is no problem. It looks awful compared to the brand new housing and display, but it's not gonna matter. The smartphone will perform beautifully with or without a brand new back cover. We're gonna put a freebie on this smartphone. This plastic display cover for scratches. If you drop your smartphone with this on, it's still gonna crack. There's no protection on it from impact, but with scratches, yeah. And of course, if you crack the display with this cover, it's not gonna shatter right away. It's gonna hold it all in one place. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time?